Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the router IP and signing in as admin. This lets you access logs that ordinary users cannot see. Once done, use a wired connection or reliable Wi-Fi so the session does not drop, because interrupted sessions can corrupt saved settings. Make sure to note the exact firmware name and version shown on the status page. This tells you which logging features are available and which menu names to look for next. You now navigate the firmware menus. Look under Status, System Log, Security, or Traffic Monitor, because manufacturers label logs differently. Once you find logs, filter by device IP or MAC to isolate a single client, and by date to reduce noise. If the router shows only events, enable detailed logging or packet capture in advanced settings so future entries include URLs and domains. Make sure to export logs to text or CSV for deeper analysis, or to preserve evidence before clearing them. You finish by analyzing the exported file. Search domains, sort by device, and flag suspicious timestamps. This gives a clear browsing timeline. If logs lack full URLs, enable DNS logging or run a packet capture on the router. Those reveal host names and requests. Once changes are applied, reboot the router to ensure logging sticks, and if the interface is unresponsive, reset to factory only as a last resort. Otherwise, preserve current logs for troubleshooting or auditing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.